Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ELK stack components from VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the ELK stack components from your VPS, start by connecting to your server using SSH. Log in with your username and password or using an SSH key. First, ensure that you have the necessary permissions to uninstall software. You can use the command sudo I to gain root access if needed. Begin with Elasticsearch by stopping the service. Run the command system+stop Elasticsearch to halt the service. Next, remove the Elasticsearch package using the package manager. For Debian-based systems, use apt-get remove Elasticsearch. If you are on a Red Hat-based system, you can use yum remove Elasticsearch. After the package is removed, delete the Elasticsearch data directory. Typically, this is located at /var/lib/elasticsearch. You can remove this directory by running rmrf/var/lib/elasticsearch. Now, proceed to uninstall Logstash. Stop the Logstash service with system+stop Logstash. Then, remove the Logstash package using the command apt-get remove Logstash for Debian. For Red Hat systems, the command is yum remove Logstash. Delete any associated Logstash configuration files, commonly found in /etc/Logstash. You can use rmrf/etc/Logstash to remove the entire directory. Next, uninstall Kibana by stopping its service. Use the command system+stop Kibana. Remove the Kibana package via apt-get remove Kibana for Debian or yum remove Kibana for Red Hat. Clear any remaining Kibana configurations, typically in the /etc/Kibana. After that, remove the Kibana data directory located at /var/lib/Kibana. Run the command rmrf/var/lib/Kibana to delete it. Finally, update your package manager's cache. For Debian systems, use apt-get auto-remove. For Red Hat systems, yum clean all will do the job. This completes the uninstallation process for the ELK stack components. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.